Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I put the roof up on my chicken coop. The genuine building of the entire chicken coop will probably be a different video, but I wanted to get the roof on today because it's nice and cloudy and it's not too hot. And I also wanted to do a review on the Dewalt Shears, so we're gonna do that today.
Thank you so much for being here. The Vineyard Chicks include me, DIY Trie, Bunkie, our little gardener, and Professor KK. And now back to the video.
So come on.
We're thinking of calling this new area Hagrid's Haven, mainly because it's my bird haven and, well, Buckbeak and Griffin live here.
So that's my unfinished coop. There's still quite a lot to do on it, but it's getting there.
See the turkey in the background? Click here if you'd like to see how I designed the new turkey pen. So if you follow us, you know that we have Orpington layers, and this will be their new house. Don't worry, I'm still running our meat birds in the chicken tractor, but this will be just for egg layers.
So I'm going to use this old spare sheet metal, and this was actually the roof for an old chicken pen, and it was actually a pretty bad design. But it worked for where they were at the time. But now they're not in there anymore, and so I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna use it for our roof. But first, I need to cut that. So this is it.
So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to put on the Dewalt shear. So it comes like this, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to put it on the drill. So on the back of the actual shear part is the drill bit, and that one's easy. You just put that one in. This one, you have to loosen it with this little silver knob, and then you attach it to the battery pack of your drill. And I think it should fit on any drill. It's less than 2 pounds and able to cut up to 18 gauge metal. And then you just tighten it by twisting the silver knob. The head pivots 360 degrees and it connects to a standard 1/4 hex shank. It does not need to be attached to a DeWalt drill, but I like this one. It will fit most 18 to 20 volt drills.
And it's super easy to use. There you have it. We attached it to the bit area. It just pops right in and then latches on here probably for stability. And then it's a fancy toy. So I'm gonna use this to cut the metal, because previously when I would cut the metal, I'd just use this. The amount of times that I cut my hands on this, and Mom cut her hands on it, and Dad cut his hands on it, is don't eat my shirt. It's crazy, so hopefully this will work a lot better.
And now introducing my help. Miri, Bobby, Taran, Griffin, and Buckbeak. Thanks for helping out, guys.
So I measured this long panel to be the length of those small panels. Those are old too. Now I'm gonna cut it.
Like slicing butter.
DIY tray? Maybe we should change the name to Barefoot DIY tray.
But hey, this is me. promise, and you'll never see me doing DIY clickbait in high heels. And that's a good thing, right? And finally, I need to install the roof for the nesting box. Is that really KK? I guess she can do more than just play the piano. Are you ready for lunch yet?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime? Lunchtime is for quitters. Thanks for being here, and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Be sure to share us on social media and turn on the notification bell so you can watch out for the chicken coop build in any of our next building videos. Thanks again, and God bless.
This pallet home right here, we're going to dismantle it soon and move it into the bird area for our 30-something ducks.